Yeah, guys, what we discussed in the yesterday's class, we discussed about the Jenkins, right? How to install the Jenkins and how to get the uh, code from the GitHub and build the Maven jobs, right? Var jar. So how to build this? So something like build the code. So before that, first we need to get the code from the GitHub. How you can get the code from the GitHub? So first we need to install the Jenkins. In the Jenkins, we need to install the Git. So from the GitHub, so in the Jenkins, you install the Git and in the Jenkins plugin, you can install the G- uh, GitHub plugin. So once you updated the GitHub plugin in the URL in the repository URL in the Git plug, it automatically get the code from the build the job. It will get code from the Jenkins, right, in the Jenkins servers. So then how to build the Maven code? So integrate GitHub with Jenkins. Integrate GitHub with Jenkins. You create GitHub with Jenkins. Install the Git on the Jenkins instance. Yeah, we install the Git on the Jenkins instance. Install Git plugin on the Jenkins GUI. Yeah, we install the Jenkins on the GUI. Then configure Git on the Jenkins. You can configure the Git on the Jenkins. Okay. So integrate Maven with Jenkins. So how to integrate with Maven with Jenkins? Yeah. So we install the Maven on the Jenkins server. Then the plugin will be installed. So set up the Maven on Jenkins server, set up the environment variables. We set up the Java home, M2, M3 home, install Maven plugin and configure the. So install a Maven plugin on the GUI, then configure Maven and Java. Yeah, we did that one. So then we can create the project called as a Maven project by using the first Maven project. So in the description, what we need to provide, we need to provide the first Maven project. So then in the source code management, we can provide the URL of the source code. Then in the build stage, you need to provide the pom.xml and clean and install. So then build the project and so it will get the web app var and jar web app. So var and jar. So I will show you guys. I will show you that this was missed yesterday, right? So we'll show you today. So this was missed yesterday, right? Today I will show you. So go to the etc EC2 instance and EC2 instances. So Panendra, did you terminated the instances? I just know, saw right? Yeah, shit. Don't terminate here. Only just stop the instances. Again, we need to install everything. Yeah, you terminated, huh?
Yes, sir.
Why did you terminate, guys? Okay, EC2 instance, launch EC2 instance, uh, Jenkins hyphen server, Jenkins hyphen server. Yeah, I'm creating again. Shit. EC2 Linux 2. So what is this, guys? T2 micro keys, Samsung, and the to provide the hello traffic HTTP. Traffic HTTP from the launch instance. Yeah, funny. Oh, you did a mistake. Yeah. So I install the Jenkins server, right? So Jenkins Fanendra terminate the instance. Just now I am launching again the instances. Yeah, shit. Okay, I will install the. Yeah, how to install the Jenkins on the plugins, guys? You already knows, right? How to install the Jenkins on the plugins. So there is a wiki I already uploaded, right? The wiki I already uploaded. So how you can get that link? You can get it in the AWS DevOps. So in the DevOps, I mentioned that Jenkins CI/CD. In the Jenkins CI/CD, so there is a Jenkins AMD. Yeah, guys, how to install that? You need to install Jenkins download. So how to install? So this is the commands, guys. So this is the way to install the Jenkins. So Jenkins, you can once you install the Jenkins, so then can enable the Jenkins and public. So I will show you, guys. I will show you. Yeah, guys, running right. I want to connect this instance. Connect. No. So I want to connect this instance, right? So yeah, public IP. I can get the public IP. Then open the putty. Yeah, install the putty. So then paste it and the appearance change bold 18. Okay. Settings SSH auth credentials browse Samsung open. Yeah, guys. So this is my EC2 Amazon Linux 2. Okay. Yeah. So sudo su I'm logging as a root user, guys. So what is the steps to install the Jenkins, guys? Two steps to install the Jenkins server. Yeah, these are the steps, guys. So these are the steps need to install the Jenkins server. I will show you. Okay. So become a root, guys. Yes, I'm a become a root. Then Jenkins repo added to the repository. Jenkins repo added to the repository. Yes, it is added to the repository. Then import the key from the Jenkins. Import the key from the Jenkins. This is the Jenkins import and install Java. Install Java. Amazon-Linux extras install Java OpenJDK 11, guys. So it will install the Java. You didn't install the Java. So if you want to install the Jenkins server, so first we need to install the Java, then we need to install the Jenkins, guys. Then you need to install the Jenkins. Yeah, Java is installed, right, guys? So Java is installed. Then install Jenkins. Okay, install Jenkins. So I'm installing the Jenkins, guys. So installing the Jenkins. So once you install the Jenkins, what you can do, guys, you can enable the Jenkins. You can enable the Jenkins service to start at boot with this command. So what is this command, guys? This is command to at boot time. So start Jenkins. It will take time, guys. This will take so 1 minute to so you can start the Jenkins service with the command systemctl start Jenkins. Then you can check the status of the Jenkins service using the command sysctl status Jenkins, guys. Sysctl status Jenkins. So once you install done, you can open the web browser and access the Jenkins on the port 8080. So on the port 8080. So once it is started the Jenkins, once it start the Jenkins, let's check the status. So how you can check the status? You can check the status of the Jenkins servers using the Jenkins command. Using the Jenkins command. Yeah, how you can plug how you can get the code. So first we need to install the Git. Right. Yeah. So yeah. So I want to get the code from the repository. Yeah, definitely we need a server, right? We need a git installed on this machine. So we need a git installed on this machine, right? So first we need to install the git, then we can install the git plugin, install git on the Jenkins instance, install git plugin on the Jenkins GUI, configure on the Jenkins GUI. So configure on the Jenkins GUI. Yeah, I will show you guys. I will show you. First we need to get the Yeah, so public IP and port number. So how you can get, guys? You can get the public IP, HTTP colon double slash port number 8080. Okay, port number 8080. So before security group, the security group inbound, inbound we created everything, or we need to create the add rule custom all TCP, all traffic, custom 00, save the rule. Yeah, 8080, right? So that's the reason. So we are providing the all traffic. Next, so the password will be there in that here. So where is the password? Cat. So here the password is available. Copy the password. Then paste the password. Username is admin. The password is, so this is the password. Next, install the suggested plugin. Select the plugins to. So you can use the install suggested plugins. It will automatically install the plugins. Yeah, username. Username is something like I need to create a Hari or tech tech world with Hari. So tech world with Hari. Password is so Jenkins. Giving the password. So password. Yeah, guys. Save and finish. Yeah, start using Jenkins. So we'll provide the start using Jenkins. Yes, guys. So this is the user I created. Yeah. So now first what you can do, guys, in the so so in the Jenkins server. So for example, I'm changing the server as a cat slash etc host name host name. So in the host name, right, you can change the name of the server. For example, Jenkins hyphen server, guys. So Jenkins hyphen server, yeah, host name, Jenkins hyphen server, duplicate session, EC2 hyphen user, sudo su. Yeah, you see guys, I set as a, so the server name as a Jenkins server. So this is the Jenkins server. So now I want to install the Git guys. Yum install Git -y, it automatically install the Git. So we need a Git because of we need to clone the, so we need to clone the repository from. So what is that repository guys? The repository is I want to, so I want to clone the repositories. Hmm. So this is the repository I want to clone. So I want to clone the hello world repository. So this is the repository I want to clone guys. Okay. So this is the repository I want to clone. So copy this, URL, and you can select the, you can go to the here, and first what you need to do, so go to the manage Jenkins. So manage Jenkins, you need to install the GitHub plugin. So you need to install the GitHub plugins. In the plugins, you need to install the GitHub available installed plugins. Available plugins, GitHub. We need to install the Git, right? So Git install the Git, right? What is that guys? Jenkins CACD. This is the URL. Yeah, local version Git, GitHub as distributed version control system, Jenkins, and so Maven is the build tool, Ansible, Docker. So to create the Docker files, build with Ansible. So yeah, what is a continuous delivery? So we need to install the, yeah, set up the Linux, install the Java, install the Jenkins. Done, right? So the next access the web UI. Yeah, we already access the web UI. So then, so we, so then, uh, install the Jenkins. Yeah, we install the Jenkins. We'll install the Java. Join. Done. Yes. So this is the dashboard. So we access the dashboard. So hello world. Yeah. So install the Git on the Jenkins. Install the GitHub plugin on the Jenkins GUI. So configure Git on the Jenkins GUI. So Git version. So yeah. So we will install the, yeah, git plug on the yum install git. Yes, installed. We git is installed. Installed git plugin on the Jenkins GUI. So in the available plugins, just install the git. Just install the git. Yeah, once you install the git. So yeah, installation done, right? Then configure the Jenkins. Manage Jenkins dashboard. Go to the dashboard and mm, so configure the Jenkins, guys. Yeah, configure the Git Jenkins dashboard global tool configuration. So So you want to configure the Jenkins, right? For configuring the Jenkins, so we need to go to the manage Jenkins and configure the Git. So configure the Git. Yeah, here guys. Here we need to provide the Git default Git. Yeah, default Git. So save. So yeah, Git path is path. Then you can create a new Java freestyle project. First, first GitHub, first GitHub project. So what is this, guys? So yeah, we configured the Git. So then yeah, pull GitHub code. So for example, pull GitHub code. So freestyle project, guys. Yeah, okay, okay. Yeah, description. Pull GitHub code from the GitHub repository. So this is the description, guys. So go to the Git. So in the Git source code management, so before it is not enabled, now it is enabled. The repository. So where is the repository? Your repository. This is Hello World repository. You guys can copy this repository. Okay, paste it here. So this is the public repository, right? No need to give the credentials. No need to give the credentials. No need to provide everything. Just apply and save. Apply and save it. Now your job is created. The dashboard. The This is the job. So this job is created. You want to run the job. So if you run the job, so you can go to the shit, guys. You can go to the what is this reset terminal? So duplicate session. Yeah. So EC2 hyphen EC2 hyphen user is yeah EC2 hyphen user. So in this sudo so go to here. So then you already installed, right? So where our code is available, cd var lib Jenkins. So here I think workspace, right? So jobs. Yeah. So we'll run the code. So this is the job. So I want to run this job. I want to build now. So build now. Let's check. So this is the building the job. In the job you are building, right? The console output. So you see the console output. So username is techworld with Hari running system. So the building workspace var lib Jenkins workspace full good code. So this is the cloning repository. So in it, so fetching the repository. So then, so build is success. Build is success. So now you can check the yeah workspace is created. So in the workspace, you see pull GitHub code. CD pull GitHub code. Our job name is pull GitHub code. Yeah. So it will pull the GitHub code, right? So whatever the code is there in, so it will pull from. So pull in the. So you did not done the just git clone. So who did Jenkins did this git clone, right? Now you understood, guys. So this is a getting the getting the code from the GitHub. So now Maven. So this is the code, guys. I want to build the code. So I want to build the code. How you can build the code, guys? How you can build the code by using? Yeah, this is done, right? Next, integrate Maven with Jenkins. So set up a Maven and Jenkins. So integrate Maven with Jenkins, set up a Maven and Jenkins server, set up the environment variables, install the Maven plugin, and configure the Maven and Java. So Maven and Java. So yeah, guys, I will show you how to install the Maven and Java. Guys, so once you're done with this, so you will go to the file and so we'll get the code. Yeah, now set up a integrate Maven with the Jenkins, set up a Maven and Jenkins server, set up environment variables, Java home, M2 home, install Maven plugin, configure the Java and Maven. Okay, set up on Maven Jenkins server. You guys can download the, so first you can go to the official document, guys. So it will go to the, hello, no, yeah, 1 second. So once you click this, you will go to the Maven 3. Yeah, so Maven 3.8.8. So binaries, go to the binaries. So this is the file, right? Once copy the link, wget. So wget cd. So what you can do, wget. Yeah, it is downloaded. So ls. So so where you need to go to cd, move it to move Apache to OPT, right guys? Move Apache to OP2. So then CD OPT, CD OPT, guys. So CVD OPT, yes. How you can tar untar guys? tar hyphen xvf that Apache file. Yes, right guys. So that is rm hyphen rf. I am removing the shit. Sure. tar-xvf ls. Yeah, I'm removing the rm-rf Apache Maven 8.8 bin. So I'm removing the tar, guys. Now, so move Apache dot to Apache 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 ls. Yeah, sorry, Maven, right? Move Apache to Maven. So what is that, guys? So I'm creating a Maven. So cd Maven ls. Yeah, all the files will be available in the Maven, guys. Okay, now you understood. Once you install the, you provided the Maven. So then you can click go to the bin under .mvn. So then, so go to the cd bin. You can check /mvn. Yeah, so build failure, right? So because of, yeah, we need to install the Java. Yeah, so something like a cd Maven, Maven dot Maven version. Let's check dot Maven v dot /Maven v. No such directory or file. Yeah, no such directory or a file. Maven cd opt mopt bin ll.maven. So cd bin Maven v. So it will not shown, right? Let's check ls dot /mbn v. Yeah, sorry guys. So you see, so 3.8.3 is available. Now we can set the now we can so if you execute this command, it will not show. It will not showing something like Maven -v. It will not show anything, right? So we need to set that one. Set the home path. How we can set the home path, guys? Set up the variables of the home path. So vi bash. So user so Maven home. So we can set the Maven home. How you can get the so where you can get the Maven. So Maven in the installation you see. So this is the path of the Maven, guys. So this is the path of the Maven. So let's copy this. Let's copy this. Then you can create the bash profile, guys. You can create the a bash profile. cd so vi dot bash underscore profile. Yeah. So in the dot bash underscore profile, so you can copy here. You can copy this content, guys. Home Maven. So varlib Jenkins. Okay. You can copy this, then paste it here. So then we'll change the Java home. So where is your Java? So where is your Java WQ? So where is your Java? Your Java is located here. Your Java is so located here. So you can set the Java. You can set the Java. So by using this path, yeah. So n. So once you added this, so then set up the environment programs. You need to set up this path. You need to set up this path. You need to set up this path. So what you can do, you can remove this and you can set up the path, then WQ. So then WQ. So if you want to execute the path, so if you show the path, if you show the path, it will not show you anything. So if you want to source, if I want to source dot bash underscore profile underscore profile. So source bash. Now you can check the mvn-v. Now you see. So you set the bash profile. So now Maven is 3.8.8 is installed. So Maven 3.8.8 is installed. So then echo dollar path. You can provide the echo dollar path. It will shows the path of the file. So this is the path of the file. Okay. Next, once you done this, just mvn-v, it is opening. We set the path. So then install the plugin. So install the Maven integration plugin. So what it is installed? You need to install the Maven integration plugin. So Maven integration plugin, go to the Jenkins. So go to the manage Jenkins and plugins. So Maven integration, available plugins, installed plugins, and available, go to the available plugins. So Maven integration. So you can install the Maven integration plugin. Install Maven. Yeah, guys. So Maven is installed, guys. So Maven is installed. Go to the manage plugins. Then yeah. So go to the manage plugins and Maven plugin is installed. Configure the Maven and Java, guys. We need to configure Maven and Java. So configure the Maven and Java. We need to go to the tools. We need to go to the tools here. Now you see. So configure the Maven and JDK. So where is your JDK installations? So what is that? JDK is Java-11. So our Java-11 is installed. Then path of the Jenkins. So what is the path of the Jenkins, guys? This is the path of the Java user lib Java JVM. This is the path, guys. This is the Java home user lib JVM Java. Okay, user lib JVM. So user lib JVM Java, user lib JVM Java. This is the, guys. It will automatically close the, guys, the error. No worries. So once it is done, once once it is done, Maven plugin once. So so JDK is provided. Then git add Maven. So where is your Maven, guys? Maven will be available into the, so add in the Maven installations. Go to add Maven. So you need to provide the Maven path, guys. So 3.9.8. So here, so we need to provide the add Maven installations, add Maven name, Maven home, Maven name, and what is the name of the Maven, guys? So Maven is Maven 3.8.5, Maven 3.8.8. So and installed Apache is 3.9.8, 3.8.8. So nothing. So Maven home. So we need to set the Maven home. What is that? OPT Maven slash OPT Maven. So yes. So apply, save. Right. So we install the GitHub, we install the Maven integration plugin, then we set the configure, then you can build the item. So how you can build the item? So we can build the build the job. So we can use the Maven project. So we can use the Maven project and the first Maven project. Yes, first Maven project. So you need to provide the source code management tool wherever GitHub repository. And so once we provided the GitHub repository in the pom.xml, build in the pom.xml, and so we can provide the clean and install. We can provide the clean and install, then build now. So build now, we will get the a target. In the target folder, we will get the web app.var. So we will get the web app.var. Let's check. So we can create a project like first Maven project. So we can use the Maven build Maven project. Jenkins takes advantage of your POM file and drastically reduces the configuration. Yes, so we can use the building the var file. I have the code, right? Building the var file. So building the var file. In the description you provide first Maven project project, and so we'll get the code from the repository, github repository and repository and repository and build the var file. So build the .var file. Hello world Java is the code. I want to build the code. I want to build the code from the var file. Okay. So then so provide the git URL. So provide the git URL, git repository URL. So what is the git repository URL, guys? Your git repository URL is, so this is the git repository URL. Copy this git repository URL and paste it, guys. So paste it. So this is the public URL, right? And no need to provide the credentials. Then go to the build steps, guys. Then we can go to the build a step. So the pom.xml, right? Branches to build. Yeah. So the build step, we can provide the build step a clean and install. I want to install and clean the build steps. So then build the apply and save. Just apply and save. Yeah. So the Maven project is first Maven project is created. Now we can so so in the workspace you see, guys. So there is no workspace, right, currently. So configure. So we already configured the configure, right? We already configured. So delete Maven project if you want to Maven. So here build history. Once you build now, it will get the build history. So I'm building the project. Build now. Click the build now. Project. The build history is so build is started. The job is started, and go to the console output. The console output you see. So first clone the repository. Yeah, clone the repository. Then so build the var or jar files. So by using so build or jar files, so we can build the a jar or a var file. You see repository clone. So Maven plugin installations. Yeah. So it will create the you see, so the installing var lib Jenkins workspace project web app target var. So this is created, guys. The build is success and the file is created. What is the build path, guys? So web app target web app.jar. So we can check it here. We can check it here. So duplicate session EC2 user EC2 user. What is happened? Happened, guys? EC2 user server refused our key. Why? Yeah, sudo su. Yeah, guys. So what is the path of the key? CD var lib Jenkins workspace first Maven project web app target. So in the target, yeah, you see web app that var is created, guys. So web app that var is created. Now you understood, guys? So now you understood, right? So the build is success. Yesterday, so it was not success, right? But now it is success. The first project. So what are the jobs you have? First, Maven, pull GitHub code. Pull GitHub code, guys. So then you can check it here also. So pull GitHub code, right? No, not pull GitHub code. First Maven chart. So workspace. Go to the workspace. Here you see the workspace. So in the web app. So there is a target. In the target, there is a web app that var is created, right? Web app that var is created, guys. This is your build file is created from your code. So from your code. So next, deploy artifact on the Tomcat server. Deploy artifact on your Tomcat server. So we have this part is completed. So this part is completed. Git to pull the code from the GitHub and build the var char. Next, we need to deploy it on the Tomcat server. So for that purpose, set up a Tomcat server. Set up a Linux EC2 instance. Install Java, Tomcat, configure Tomcat, start server, access port. The install Java on the EC2 instance. Amazon Linux extras, install Java OpenDK. So once it is installed, you guys can see the manager app, right? So in the manager, if you click the manager app, it will get the